Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I absolutely love lattes and cappuccinos, but unfortunately, I live really far away from any coffee shop. So that's why I am so happy to have this JIMHOMNI milk frother. I'm really glad that the receptacle for pouring the milk into is made of stainless steel. That way there's no plastic or chemical flavor that can get into the milk. This milk frother has 4 different settings, which pretty much covers all my bases when it comes to milk-centered beverages. But like you can probably guess from my intro, the 2 settings that I use most often are the cappuccino and latte settings. It is so simple to use. All I have to do is pour in the milk, touch the button that I want, and let it run. I've been really pleasantly surprised by how quietly this frother works and how fast it is. In a matter of just a few minutes, the milk comes out perfectly heated and beautifully frothed. From my own experience in the past with heating milk on the stove, I know that it can be really easy to burn. However, this milk frother heats the milk to the perfect temperature without scorching it. Because it's stainless steel and it can be completely separated from the electric base, it's really easy to clean and it can be ready all the time for whenever my latte mood strikes. I can get my very own latte mustache now from home thanks to this JIMHOMNI milk frother. And that's my point of view.